Are you ready to expand your webinar reach and generate more leads with powerful content? Try our Facebook live streaming feature today. Here's how. Go to your webinar room and choose Live Stream from the dashboard. Click on Add Live Stream. In the pop-up, click the Facebook Live button. We will get back to this window in just a few seconds. Now, go to your Facebook homepage and click the Live Video link at the top of your wall. From the Connect tab, you need to copy the server URL. Go back to your webinar room and paste it in the live stream pop-up. Again, from the Facebook Connect tab, copy the stream key. Then, paste it here, back in your webinar room. Right below that, you can choose how your Facebook stream will look. Then, click Go Live. In the upper left corner, you will see a confirmation pop-up. Last, you need to get back to the Facebook Connect tab. Click the Go Live button you will see in the lower right corner. Well done! Now you are ready to start your webinar and stream it live. Facebook live streaming feature is available for My Webinars Pro plans only. Upgrade your account today and engage your audience like never before.